Good evening, sir. Today your topic since 8085 कांग्रेस सिविल सर्वेंट अभी सिविल सर्विसेज का रिजल्ट भी आया जो 2023 का परिणाम आया है, उससे आप किस नज़रिए से देख रहे हैं? जब से ये हम सिविल सर्वेंट जो कांग्रेस के सचिव बने थे और उसमें सुरेंद्र बनर्जी कांग्रेस के चेयरमैन थे, तो किस तरह से वहाँ से लेकर के अब तक सिविल सर्वेंट को मजबूती मिली है? क्योंकि आपने पहले ही बताया था कि सिविल सर्विसेज जो है स्टील फ्रेम होता है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का, बताइए।
Good evening, my friends,
डियर फ्रेंड्स,
my friends of India. Just midnight, day before yesterday, in the midnight I got a WhatsApp from my friend from Odisha. WhatsApp, he had sent all the ranks which was taken by the URIA candidates in 500 UPSC series. I saw, but I couldn't get into what is this. Next morning, I talked to him. Then he told me that second topper of this UPSC services, Pradhan from Odisha. Immediately, my mind goes to a Assamese movie, National Award-winning movie, which was made in '84. Around that, it had got Assamese movies and had won a national award. In that, Haldar.
what is name? The
Name of the movie was Haldar.
Okay, Haldar. Your name is also Haldar.
Haldar, right? And that depicts the character of a farmer, the spirit to see his son, ambition to see his son as a IS officer and district magistrate of any district of India. But triumph in tragedy, his son failed to get that. But he get elevated after that also. That was the movies, the elements. So here the result, that whole struggle of India, freedom struggle, see who had formed the Congress, why had formed the Congress, Alan Actavis Hume, who had advised the Lord Dufferin to, as a safety valve, build the Congress.
Governor General of India at that time.
Viceroy.
Viceroy and Governor General.
Viceroy and Governor General. And after that, and the first chairman of the Congress was Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Later on you see all the lists. That time, civil service exam was held at London only. And the age limit was also 17 years only. And
19, not 17.
whatever, that was the
19.
year, yes, very limited. And also medium only English. And see the exam. And since then you see all Indians, mostly bright and brilliant one, like Mahasi Arvind Ghosh, D.P. Sharma, and later on Subhash Chandra Bose, top the list.
Satyendrath Thakur, Tagore.
His Tagore brother also ICS. And so these all the bright and spirit that goes.
Esprit de corps, not spirit. Esprit de corps. Yes, आगे, forward, go forward.
No, you are not understanding the things. I am talking a spirit, the fighting spirit, the
Okay.
of the Indians. And they were successful one, the bright, beautiful. Even so, Gandhiji was not the brightest friends. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Even Jawaharlal Nehru was not as bright as Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahasi Arvind Ghosh. They are successful men, successful friends. And so, but it is a destiny and the fate. Nothing succeeds like success. Nothing succeeds like success. All they failed. As Subhash Chandra Bose failed, but he really fought and showed his spirit in that one. And the same happened. IFS officer, very bright IFS officer, Natwar Singh, from royal family of Bharatpur. When the decision to who will be the Prime Minister of India,
He was also foreign minister.
Foreign Minister later on.
Networks in that is, जो
Later,
belong
I
to.
was also-
Yes,
I was
yes.
Civil servant.
Okay, हाँ,
Coming
yes.
to the civil services.
Hmm.
This exam. coming
Okay,
exam.
okay.
That was the spirit of. But again, fate was that Manmohan Singh was chosen as the Prime Minister, not Natwar Singh, bright civil servant. In the same way, later on also.
Hmm.
Only one civil servant, that speaks to him, Maharashtrian civil servant, who became the Prime Minister of India. This Prime Minister really a still frame, don't know how to bend.
What name Maharashtra civil servant?
Morarji Desai.
Morarji Desai.
Morarji Desai, who became the Prime Minister of India.
Janata during Janata Party
Not only
government.
that,
हाँ.
even after Nehru,
Huh.
he was the only man who had thrown his hat for the Prime Ministership. He didn't bend. He didn't get success in that one. But he didn't give up also and became at the age of 52 Prime Minister of India. That's the spirit of the civil servant.
But not success as like Prime Minister
No, he was
of
a
India.
successful man. He was a successful prime minister. He did the struggle and made.
Hmm.
He was a master. Later at his time, Maharashtra was divided into Maharashtra and Gujarat.
Okay.
So that civil service. So all the middle class Indian students aspire, and this is a struggle. And I do quote here one letter which I had got. I had in 87 I had passed in writing men's exams.
समराज कीजिए टाइम ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
And the letter written to me by my father, with whom I had very difficult relations had started. Dice has been cast. You are to prove that it was not a dice. Those just after graduation Indians who aspired and put his effort to be a civil servant, they will have a patience, a spirit, not to give up till the end. Chance. There are many of them from rural backgrounds. And so, and particularly traditional, I do refer to my friend, Basant Pari. All it happens that students, all graduate students, Indian students, had to struggle.
Who died last year? That Basant Padi.
That he was also a bright man. He had come to Delhi from Odisha to take, even Subhash Chandra Bose was from Cuttack. Subhash Chandra Bose from Cuttack. And D.P. Sharma was from Begusai. And so the spirit of Yashwant Sinha, he didn't give up. He did contest to the post of the President of India. So that spirit, Indian civil servant aspirants who really studied and are really brilliant and bright students of the time, and government of India and government of the states also should honor these civil servants or aspirants of civil servants due regard, and there is the great brain of India and great energy of India to build India. And I congratulate all civil servants who have
Okay.
got through this year UPSC civil service.
What is the difference in between Viceroy and Governor General? But post is same. Post was same.
No, Viceroy after 1857 it became
Viceroy, then
Viceroy and Governor General before 1857 they were
Nahi.
called Governor General. That's the difference.
when a person look into princely estate, it's called Viceroy, and when his
No.
saw in British India called Governor General. Post was one.
Before 1857 revolt, he was called that.
1857 Governor General after Viceroy.
1857 became the Viceroy because it was given to the Crown. Earlier it was East India Company.
Okay. But
Okay.
princely estate divided.
Okay,
Then
I-
okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much because you give good information about civil services, and civil service is called a steel frame of India, and also maintain administration and federal structure and development of India. Thank you very much.